Once upon a time, in the bustling city of New York, a child named Robert Oppenheimer was born. He was not an ordinary child. His curious eyes held a spark that promised extraordinary feats. From a very young age, Robert found solace in books. The world of knowledge became his playground and he reveled in it. As he grew older, his fascination with science grew exponentially. He was particularly drawn to physics, the science of matter and energy and their interactions. His heart would race with excitement every time he delved into the mysteries of the universe. Robert's journey took him to Harvard University, where he excelled academically, earning himself a degree in chemistry. But his heart belonged to physics. He pursued further studies at Cambridge University, where he met renowned physicist J.J. Thomson, who saw potential in Robert's passionate pursuit for knowledge. Robert returned to America as World War II loomed on the horizon. The world was on fire and there was an urgent need for new weapons technology that could end the war quickly. In this dire situation, Oppenheimer's brilliance shone through as he led America's top-secret Manhattan Project, an ambitious mission aimed at developing atomic weapons before Germany could. The successful creation of this destructive weapon filled him with both pride and regret. Pride for achieving scientific marvel, but regret for its devastating consequences, which were evident when atomic bombs were dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, causing massive destruction. Post-war years brought him accolades but also suspicion due to his political beliefs, which eventually led to him losing security clearance from government projects. Despite these setbacks, Oppenheimer remained undeterred till death claimed him in 1967, leaving behind a legacy that continues to inspire scientists worldwide yet serves as a stark reminder about ethical implications tied with scientific advancements.